Let's start by cooking some ham. I placed it in the frying pan and cooked it for 2 minutes on each side. Next, I cooked the eggs. You will need a circular mold. I got mine from Amazon for $12 for a set of 5. I cracked the eggs in a bowl and placed it in the mold in the frying pan. Quickly added some water and covered and cooked it for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to assemble. I bought the English muffins from the store. I placed a slice of cheese followed by the egg and 2 slices of ham and microwaved it for 20 seconds. And there you go, a copycat of the Egg McMuffin.